The igniters on my Neff gas hob are not sparking. How easy to fix?
What's the model number? Ed. Here's a general video about maintenance. Replacement is fairly easy. Send model hash. I can spec the part with a model hash XXXXX.
E near T2766N0/01. FD 8207 1024. Might sanding them help, as in the video?
Yes. They get dirty more than burned out.
I'll try that tonight and get back to you. Thanks.
You're welcome. Ed.
Hi, Ed. No good. I didn't think it would be. To me, it looks like a central switch or fuse. They all stopped at the same time. It's not that one went first by getting worn out or dirty. One moment sparks from all, next moment none. I do now have a beautifully clean hob, at least. What next? Karen.
Okay, then it's the transformer. The thing all the igniters plug into. Do you push a button to ignite, or is it automatic when you turn on the gas? How old is your unit? Ed.
Oh, hello, never expected an answer tonight. Thanks. I turn on the gas for a particular burner, and hold the knob down for a few seconds till I'm sure it's caught, more difficult with the small burner. The unit must be about 10 years old. Didn't the numbers I gave you include the model? That's all I have on my documentation. Can I change the transformer myself?
Yes. It's wherever all those igniter wires come together. There's no video of it, but it's straightforward if you can reach it from above. Screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Talk to the spares guys when you call to order. They can be very helpful. If it arrives and it's not your thing, grab a handy friend. Turn off electricity. Hope this helps. Ed.
It helps very much, Ed. You said earlier you might source the spares, but sounds as though not. Do you have a web address for cheap spares? And can I keep talking to you after I accept the 14 pounds thing? I mean, just in case the spares don't work, and I need to ask a friend what I'm doing wrong. My mum taught me how to change fuses when I was 5, and understand electricity. So it should be SE, and just in case?
Hi. Hi, I already sent the link for the transformer. Just click on the word. But order it by phone and ask for advice like I said. I am available for follow-up on this question at any point down the line. In fact, let me know how it goes in any case. My mom taught me about electricity too. Ed.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.